E-Track is a versatile tool that you can add to your trailer that will open up a world of cargo securement possibilities. E-Track is customizable, dependable, and easy to install. There are hundreds of accessories specifically made to attach to E-Track that will allow you to secure cargo in your trailer like never before. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Mytee product's E-Track D-Ring. Some people may have some E-Track installed, but not all of the E-Track fitted straps they need to tie down cargo. Our E-Track D-Ring fits into any E-Track fitting and allows you to use standard S-hook straps to tie down cargo within your van, trailer, or anywhere you have E-Track installed. With a working load limit of 1,335 pounds and a braking strength of 4,000 pounds, you can be rest assured our D-Ring is strong, secure, and stable. Today, we'll be using our S-hook retractable ratchet strap to demonstrate how you can use our D-Rings to tie down cargo. First, place your D-Rings in your E-Track fittings. We are using 2 D-Rings, one on each side of the cargo. Now, take your S-hook strap and hook them into your D-Rings. Ratchet the strap tight around your cargo. As you can see, our E-Track D-Ring is a solid anchor point you can depend on. If you just installed E-Track but still want to use your existing S-hook tie downs, give our E-Track D-Ring a try. You won't be disappointed. Haul safe, earn more. That's the Mytee Products way. Head on over to myteeproducts.com or call 1-888-705-8277 to purchase your E-Track D-Rings today.